So we're back in the training room and we're talking about underlayment flashings. This is our new tile hood flashing. It's metal, aluminum, and it's designed to go over all of our tile hook series. So there's different methods of waterproofing at the underlayment level, like using our butyl hooks that have a butyl pre-installed on it. In this case, these hooks do not have the butyl on it, so you have the option of both with all of our tile hooks. And now you also have the option of doing an underlayment flashing that is metal. So you can lap it into the paper here over to waterproof those lag screws, and it's big enough to go over all the different hooks that we have in our product series. So you can lap it into the paper if your overlap falls in that course line, or you can do the 3-course method around the edges here and tar it in to the roof so it's all waterproof. And then you have your underlayment flashing covered there, and then you also have the top flashing if you're going to use replacement flashings. This is our flat TRF for the top tile flashing. So now you've got the options of doing top flashing and underlayment flashings.